Okay, let's decide where to go next.
The lake! Yes, the lake!
The lake it is.
Look how tall it's getting! It's the biggest one yet! Yeah!
The water's heating up nicely. Perfect for a rainy day. The tea is almost ready.
It smells so good! I can't wait!
Here you go, my loves.
Careful, it's hot.
Smells wonderful, thank you.
Of course, to us.
To us. All right, it's ready.
Yay, smells so good! I'm hungry!
It looks delicious.
Come, let's eat.
Ah, perfect.
Cheers! It's so cozy in here.
The best.
Here you go.
Thank you. My turn next.
Of course, sweetie.
Wow, thank you, Papa.
It smells so good.
Me next, please.
Of course, here you go.
Here you go, sweetie.
Thank you, Mommy.
This is perfect. Hey everyone, I'm back.
Welcome back, dear. We missed you.
It's good to be home.
And then, the brave little fox found a magical cave.
Wow, is it safe?
It's just outside. We're safe in here. Here you go. Who wants the first bowl?
Me!
Careful, it's hot.
Okay, team, let's make the bed.
I'll get this side.
I can help too. Me too. I'm helping.
Great job, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Morning, my love. Are we there yet?
Look at the view. Almost there. This rain doesn't seem to be letting up.
It's so cozy in here. I love listening to it.
Me too. It's perfect.